Hello everyone and welcome back to another Zano list video. In this video, I'll show you how you can make your Bitcoin completely private using confidential layer. So confidential layer allows you to bridge your Bitcoin onto a privacy environment built on top of the Zano privacy blockchain. So when you bridge your Bitcoin, the transactions are completely hidden and that makes your Bitcoin private by default. So to get started, you're going to first need a Zano wallet synced and installed. So you can go ahead and over to zano.org, head on over to the download section. As you can see where you can get a wallet here. So you can get it on your phone. There's Cake Wallet, Edge Wallet, and the Bitcoin.com wallet as well. And for this video, we're going to be using the Windows desktop version, but it's exactly the same on these other systems as well. And as you can see here, this is what the Zano desktop wallet looks like. And it's very similar on mobile as well. As you can see right now, my wallet is currently syncing the entire blockchain. So this can take a few hours, sometimes quicker depending on your internet connection. You can also see here the wrapped Bitcoin. So 0 BTTX is my current balance, but that's all about to change with this tutorial. And now we can head over to app.confidentiallayer.com. And then what you need to do is select the token. So here, you're going to select the asset that you want to bridge. So for this video, I'm going to use Bitcoin. I want to make my Bitcoin private. So now I need to change the source here. So it's coming from a Bitcoin wallet. And then the destination is going to be Zano. And as you can see, it's a privacy chain. So I'm going to go ahead and select that there. Now I need to enter my receiver address. This is going to be this address here. I'm going to paste this in here. And then the amount I want to bridge. So for this video, I'm going to be doing a smaller amount, say $50. And this is what I'm going to receive. Then I need to click bridge. Then I need to click begin. And I can go ahead and scan this, use a Trust Wallet or use local base. So I'm going to be using this. And as you can see, my connection is successful already. And you can see here, I have 0.001 BTC here. I'm going to go ahead and click deposit. I'm going to sign the transaction. As you can see, the deposit was confirmed, and now we're just waiting for confirmations. Okay, as you can see, the token is now deposited to bridge, and the withdrawal is sent. So now on the withdrawal status, it is currently processing the transaction, and now it's just waiting for confirmations. Okay, as you can see, the withdrawal is now confirmed on Zano. So as you can see, if I open my wallet, you can see that the BTCX is now received into my wallet. So if I was going to send this to someone else, I cannot send it to a Bitcoin address. I need to send it to another person using Zano. So I would send this by going to send. I would select the asset, wrap Bitcoin. And here I would send it to either an alias, a Zano alias, or a Zano address only. I wouldn't send this to a Bitcoin address as it would not deposit and you would lose your funds. Okay, now I'm going to be showing you how to unwrap your Bitcoin and revert it back onto mainnet Bitcoin network. So it's very simple to do, and it's basically the opposite of what we're going to do. But for this, we're going to need Zano Companion, and Zano Companion is a Chrome or Brave extension, and you can get it on the zano.org/downloads website. So what we do is select the token as BTC, the source being Zano, as we're reversing it back to Bitcoin network. Then I need to grab up my receiving address on the Bitcoin network. As you can see, this is my Bitcoin address here. Then I need to enter the amount. So I'm going to be sending all this back. I'm then going to click bridge, click begin, and it's going to connect with the Zano extension app. So now I'm going to click accept. Connection successful. Now I'm going to click deposit. And I need to sign this again. So as you can see, I'm going to sign the Bitcoin. And the transaction is fee is 0.01 Zano. So you're going to need some small amount of Zano for gas. Put confirm. And it's processing my transaction. If I go back to my wallet, as you can see, I no longer have the wrap Bitcoin. And I will receive it into my Bitcoin wallet. And that's it. That's how to bridge your Bitcoin onto confidential layer and to give your Bitcoin its privacy. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys found this video helpful.